Rina! Today I continue to make the artwork, Alice in Wonderland. In the last video, I showed you how to make mushrooms. This video I will show you how to make sunflowers from clay. Prepare a piece of wire. Make a knot at the end of the wire. Take out the green clay. Make a small ball. Prepare white glue. Put the knot into the glue. Make the green ball sit on the wire. Make the lines on the ball. Go over it again and again. Use a needle to pierce many small dots. Of course, you can use toothpick as tool. Cut the edge. Prepare yellow powder using brown clay. Guess what I'm going to make? Apply glue. Now you know I'm using the brown clay for what. Make the stamen. If you want it perfect, you have to be patient. Actually, I'm not that kind of person who is very patient. I should spend more time on it. There are several ways to make sunflowers, and now I'm just showing one of them. I don't want to make the stamens and petals evenly. The real sunflower, the petals are not very even. But some people did. Everyone has their own ideas. Now apply yellow powder in the middle of the flower to make it look organic. What is it? Making petals. Need more petals. Seam the edges of the petals. the clay on the flower stem. Yellow paint on the edge of the leaf. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next video, I will continue to make Alice in Wonderland. I really hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.